Hello, grade 1. How are you? I hope that you're fine. Please don't forget to wash your hand, use your sanitizer, and of course, wear your face mask. And keep the distance, please. And stay home to stay safe. This is Summit International Schools. Our lesson today is science. Our lesson today in Unit 2, lesson number 3, page from 62 until 71. With Miss Asia. So, our lesson, it's about what materials make up objects. So here we have our lesson today. It's a very simple lesson, including 4 points. We're going to speak about these 4 points and a simple way. So points number 1, it's play your part. Number 2, a material word. Number 3, made to order. And number 4, everyday materials. So let's start with points number 1. Point number 1, so we're going to talk about the objects made of the different parts. Objects made from different parts. Here this is bicycle, right? This bicycle, it's an object. This bicycle, it's an object. So this is bicycle made of different parts. So as we have here, this frame and this basket, saddle or seat, and this wheel and this pedals and so on. So all of those are parts. They are parts. So those parts go together to those parts go together to make the object, this object. So these parts all together to make the bicycle, and so on. So any objects made of different parts, these parts going together to make the objects. This is point number 2. It's very simple. This is points number 2. So points number 2, here as we have here, look at this house. This house, it's an object, right? This house, it's an object. So this is house, including a lot of parts or many parts here. Okay, here as we have here in the parts number 1, it's brick. This is brick. Okay, and this is wood, and this is wood. This is metal, and this is glasses. So all of those, they are materials. Those materials go together to make this house or to make this object. So this house is an object, and including many parts. This is part, it's a material. So the materials, what do you mean by material? Material mean are what objects are made of. So this is an object. The house is an object, right? So this is house made of objects. So here we have wood, brick, and metal and glasses. All of those, they are materials. So it's a very simple point. Let's move to the third one. The third one, we have 2 points inside this point. So we're going to know about the kinds of materials. We have 2 kinds of material. The first one, it's natural material. Here, natural material are found in nature. We found them in nature. Just like here, we have wood. It comes from trees. We have cotton from plants, and so on. All of those, they are natural material. Excellent. So And number 2, we have human made. These materials, it's such like plastic and nylon. Scientists first made them. So the people or the scientists made those materials. So we cannot find it in nature. And here, it's a very simple, it's a very important point. We have materials. Yes, excellent. We have materials made of what? Made of both natural materials and human made. Just like this pot. It's this wood made from wood here. As we can see here, this is wood. Wood is a natural material, and this is nylon. It's a human made. So this wooden pot with the nylon and wood. Excellent. So it's made from both natural and human made materials. So, and the last point here, we have everyday materials. So we're going to talk in this point, we're going to talk about steps of how jeans is made in factories. So the jeans is made in a factories. We're going to talk about these steps. So step number 1 here. Step number 1, looms weave cotton into the cloth. Looms here, this looms weave cotton into the cloth. And point number 2, or step number 2 here, workers use machine to cut and sew the clothes. So those are worker, and this is machines. They use it to cut and sew the clothes. And number 3 here, workers use machines to put on metal reefs. So this is reefs, and this is machine, and those workers, so they use this machine to put the reefs inside the jeans or on the jeans. So, and the fourth steps here, and the last and the fourth step here, it's night now. The jeans is ready to wear. So this is the jeans. Wow, it's a very nice jeans. So our fourth point, it's about how, or the steps of how jeans is made in the factories. That's all our lesson today. I hope it's clear. Please, if you have any questions, just ask me or just text me or send to me. Bye bye. Love you.